Hi, my name is Caca. It's my storyteller nickname. I'm from West Java, Indonesia. Celebrating World Storyteller Day 20 and 21, I would like to tell you a story about mouse deer and crocodiles. It's our traditional story. And Indonesia, especially West Java, has a lot of fable. Some popular animal in our fable, such as crocodile, mouse deer, monkey, tiger, and cat. Now, I would like to tell you a story about mouse deer and crocodile. Once upon a time, there was a mouse deer, an animal that considered clever. He was walking on the edge of the forest. He was looking for a river because it was a very hot day, and he needed some water because he felt so thirsty. And not long after, he found a river with murky water, and then he drank in the river. But then suddenly he heard a sound from his stomach. Oh no! I'm hungry, he said. Apparently, he felt so starving. He imagined how good it would be if there was his favorite food. What is his favorite food? It's cucumber. But the cucumber garden on the other side of the river. Oh, no. The cucumber field was on the other side of the river? Yes, mouse deer. It's on the other side of the river.
Oh, how can I cross the river?
Then he thought for a moment. It wasn't long before he came up with an idea. Then cheered with joy.
Aha! Hey, I got an idea. Caca, I got an idea.
What's that?
Hey, crocodiles! Come on over here. Get out for a moment. I have food for you,
he said to the crocodiles near the river. Once again, the mouse deer called the crocodiles.
Oh, crocodiles! Don't you want fresh meat? Come on!
Not long after, a large crocodile appeared from the river.
Hey, crocodiles! Come on over here. Who is screaming, making noise? It's very annoying,
he said. Then came the leader of the crocodiles and said,
Shut up! Shut up, you mouse deer, or I will eat you.
said the mouse deer.
Great you to go out. Where is the others? Because if it's just the two of you, the meat won't run out. Okay, where is the others? Is it only the two of you?
Said the mouse deer.
What is it? Mouse deer, what is it? Tell me.
Said the leader.
Oh, sorry if I disturb your sleep. Actually, I will distribute some meat to all of the crocodiles that are here. Therefore, immediately call your friends to finish this meat. Oh, go on, call your friends.
Hearing that the meat was going to be distributed, the leader of the crocodile immediately called all of his friends.
Oh, friends, come here immediately. We will share free meat here. Free meat, come on over.
Not long after, the crocodiles came out of the water. 1 crocodile more, 2 crocodile more, 3 crocodile more, 4 crocodiles, 5 crocodiles, 6 crocodile. Lot of crocodiles. Not long after, the crocodiles came out of the water.
Well, good. Now I have to count how many crocodiles here,
said the mouse deer.
Let's immediately line up from this side of the river to the other side of the river. Come on, line up. I will count you. Come on,
said the mouse deer. And then without thinking anymore, the crocodiles immediately lined up and took their positions.
Good. Okay. Now I will count you guys right away,
said the mouse deer, while starting jump over the crocodile's back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
All the crocodiles, he jumped on his back. And finally the mouse deer managed to cross the river. Then he said to the crocodile,
Okay, now, crocodile, actually there is no meat that I said earlier. I just want to cross the river.
All the crocodiles there became upset and said,
Watch you, mouse deer. When we meet again, you are finished.
And the mouse deer ran into the cucumber field. That's the story about mouse deer and crocodiles from West Java, Indonesia, celebrating World Storytelling Day 2021. Thank you and see you later.